Hi Blue Marble Riders, just a quick one today to let you know that there's another mod in the works on the Z900RS, and you might be thinking it's a tail tidy. It isn't. It would be a good opportune moment to do a tail tidy, and I'll let you know why in a minute. The reflash on the ECU that I've been talking about for a while, I finally got down to do it. The insurance came off the bike. I thought that was an appropriate time to do it just before Christmas. And so I sent it away to Ivan, who I cannot say enough about. What a decent guy. Chatted to him on the phone. His service and his attitude is so professional. He's very clear about what you want and how he does it, and the delivery. You know, you're always worried sending the brain of your bike to another country, but don't be worried at all. He is meticulous, absolutely meticulous. Came back in a really professionally wrapped manner, much more professionally than I sent it in, and I'm a bit of a stickler for that. And I'm hoping that she runs a lot smoother over 20 Celsius than she did. I didn't get anything else done, didn't get the airbox mod, didn't get any of the exhaust mods done yet, but I can send it back to Ivan, just the price of postage, and I can have that flashed now I've paid the initial fee. So any updates I get, Ivan will reflash for free. So as you can see, I'm putting it back in. One of the things Ivan will say is there's two ways to do it. You can slip a screwdriver in and try and ease it out with a screwdriver. There's the screwdriver. It doesn't work. I wouldn't do it. I ended up taking the rear body work off, undoing the 12-volt adapter, undoing the plate here, dropping the tail light assembly here, and then that allowed me to drop the mudguard. And it's so much easier just to slip the ECU in there and then push these rubber grippers on here onto the metal and slide it up and plug it back in. Really, it took me 20 minutes of fiddling around with a screwdriver. I thought I was doing more damage than good. Stopped. Took me 10 minutes to do this. Not hard at all. You know, there's a few bolts there and a few sockets, and that's about it. So it isn't hard at all. You'll find your way through it. If you've got half a mechanical brain at all, you're going to figure it out. Just take your time, and all of that should be about 10 minutes. It won't be hard. It's back in. I will not probably run it for the next month or so until I get it insured. So that's the latest mod on the Z900RS. The next one is going to be the handlebars, and I'm going to be changing those out. We'll see how that goes. I'll be doing that in a couple of weeks. Yeah, so just an update. Z900RS Kawasaki. For those Husaberg fans, I'm going to be doing the valves on the Berg. I had the valve guides redone last year, and I haven't checked them since then. I've run it for at least 30-40 hours, and so I figure my diligence and my conscience is telling me to pop the head off, and let's take a look. In order to do that, of course, the plastics have to come off, the rads have to come off, the gas tank has to come off. The Husaberg is such a lovely compact bike, but the real negative to it is to work on anything is a pain in the arse. So yeah, all of that's going to come off just to get you know, the rocker cover off here so I can look inside there. Okay, little update from the Blue Marble, and we will be back shortly. Blue Marble Rider, out.
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the Blue Marble Rider, out.